Click the Add Time and Material Tasks button. Time and material tasks allow you to create time and material tasks or temporary assemblies. Enter a description of the task or assembly, the labor hours to install the material, and material cost. Click into the text box. Click into the description text box and enter a description of the task or the temporary assembly. The job site employees displayed in the Add Time and Material Tasks come from the Job Site Employees tab. Click the Direct Costs tab. Click the Job Site Employees tab. The job site employees displayed will be added to the Add Time and Material Tasks. Click the Labor Hours text box. Click the plus symbol to see the job site employees. If you enter labor hours directly into the main screen, the hours will be evenly distributed between the field employees. You can use the employee's pay rate and burden rate, or you can use the employee's billable rate. To use the employee's billable rate, check the Use Employee's Billable Rate checkbox. Click the plus symbol to see the job site employees. For true time and material work, you can assign different labor hours for each of the field employees. The time and material document that you can send to your customer displays the hours that each employee worked on the task. Enter the employee's labor hours. Enter the material cost. Click the Save button. Click the Yes button. The time and material task is displayed in the Takeoff tab. The time and material price and the time and material labor hours are displayed in the text boxes.